After 2 long years, finally answers. A special prosecutor announcing today he's dropping charges against the 2 Atlanta police officers involved in the 2020 death of Rayshard Brooks. Prosecutors said today deadly force was reasonable based on the struggle shown in numerous security and body camera videos.
But for the Brooks' family, they say they feel like they're starting all over again in their fight for justice. We have team coverage for you tonight to walk you through how we got to this decision today. We've got Joe Hinkie and Hope Ford with us tonight.
But let's go to Hope Ford first. She spoke with Brooks' family's attorneys today.
Yeah, that's right. And attorneys say they still hope to see those officers in court, albeit in a different way, a way that provides a little bit more fight, but a little less burden of proof. The family of Rayshard Brooks caught off guard by the news.
We literally was sitting at home, some people were at work, and we just started getting text messages.
With the charges dropped against the officers in Brooks' death, it leaves his niece, widow, and others confused as to why the case couldn't play out in front of a jury.
At the end of the day, you didn't even give it a chance. You just kind of let it go, and it is what it is. And you just wanted to accept it. I don't understand that. And then now the big thing is, what do we do now? What's next?
What's next? Family attorneys Chris Stewart and Justin Miller say may still involve a courtroom.
We'll continue our fight in civil court because that seems to be the only place that we can get justice.
The attorneys say Brooks fighting with the officers is not a death sentence.
2 police officers lost a fight. Is losing a fight a reason enough for Rayshard Brooks to have lost his life?
Stewart and Miller believe they can prove Brooks' civil rights were violated. Attorney Charles Cullen is not associated with this case, but agrees that this split-second decision with Brooks running would be the key to a civil case.
There's a lot of case law that is not favorable to shooting someone who seems to be running away, fleeing, other people around. What happens if one of them gets hit by a discharged bullet? That's dangerous. I think this kind of recklessness that you see could certainly lead to a successful civil case.
And while special prosecutors argue the taser in Brooks' hand is a deadly weapon that justifies deadly force, Stewart asks, where's the line?
What if it was mace? Could he have killed him then?
He should have been in jail. He should not be dead.
And legal experts tell me it is difficult to successfully sue a police officer, so it may be an uphill battle for the family to prove those officers violated Brooks' rights. Still, the family says that they do want to go ahead with the civil case because they say it's the only way to hear the whole story.